conservationist. I wrote a bunch of hits, got the elites pissed. And I am not an old school conservationist. Got people talking shit, I got the scene pissed.